Green tea has been cherished for centuries, especially in Asian cultures, for its refreshing taste and powerful health benefits. But beyond being a soothing drink, green tea is now recognized as an effective tool for weight management. Scientific research supports the idea that green tea can help accelerate fat burning, boost metabolism, and even reduce appetite, making it a natural aid for those looking to shed extra pounds. If you're wondering how to lose weight drinking green tea, this video explores 5 science-backed ways green tea weight loss works. Watch to the end because we'll also be sharing practical tips on how to incorporate it into your daily routine. Like and subscribe for more videos like this, and don't forget to share it with a friend. Together, we can support and inspire each other to be the best we can on our weight loss journey. One of the most significant green tea benefits for weight loss is its ability to increase metabolism. Your metabolism is the process by which your body converts food and stored fat into energy. The faster your metabolism, the more efficiently your body burns calories, even when you're at rest. Green tea is rich in catechins, powerful antioxidants that play a key role in boosting metabolic function. The most prominent catechin in green tea, epigallocatechin gallate, EGCG, helps increase the rate at which your body breaks down fat. Additionally, green tea contains caffeine, a natural stimulant that has been shown to enhance fat oxidation or fat burning by 10 to 17% when combined with EGCG. Scientific evidence shows that individuals who regularly drink green tea for weight loss experience a 3 to 4% increase in calorie burning per day. Some research even suggests up to 8%. While this may seem small over time, it can make a substantial difference in weight management. A study published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition found that men who consume green tea extract burned 17% more fat during moderate intensity exercise than those who did not. This suggests that drinking green tea before workouts can enhance fat burning effects. What this means for weight loss: drinking green tea weight loss drinks daily can result in higher calorie burn throughout the day, helping you maintain a calorie deficit. When consumed before exercise, green tea benefits include enhancing fat oxidation, leading to more effective workouts. A sustained increase in metabolism can help prevent weight regain after dieting. Thermogenesis is the process by which your body generates heat and burns calories. This process is essential for weight loss, as it helps the body use stored fat for energy. Green tea has been found to stimulate thermogenesis, increasing the body's energy expenditure. This is largely due to the synergistic effects of caffeine and catechins, which enhance the body's ability to burn fat more efficiently. One study found that drinking green tea increases energy expenditure by 4%, which could translate to an additional 70 to 100 calories burned per day without additional effort. Scientific evidence research has shown that individuals who consume green tea daily experience a higher rate of fat oxidation, particularly around the abdominal area. Another study found that participants who consumed green tea extract lost more weight over 12 weeks compared to those who did not. What this means for weight loss: green tea weight loss benefits include a natural calorie burning effect that supports long-term weight management. Drinking green tea before workouts can increase the amount of fat burned during exercise. The increase in energy expenditure from green tea can help prevent the slowdown in metabolism that often occurs during weight loss. Not only does green tea for weight loss help you burn fat, but it can also prevent your body from absorbing and storing new fat. How green tea prevents fat storage. Inhibiting fat absorption. Green tea has been found to interfere with the absorption of dietary fat, reducing the amount stored in the body. Some research suggests that green tea blocks the action of certain digestive enzymes responsible for breaking down fat molecules, allowing them to pass through the body without being absorbed. Regulating hormones that control fat storage. Green tea can improve insulin sensitivity, which helps regulate blood sugar levels and prevents the accumulation of visceral fat or belly fat, preventing the formation of new fat cells. Some studies suggest that green tea may inhibit the development of new fat cells, making it harder for the body to regain weight after losing it. What this means for weight loss: drinking green tea weight loss beverages regularly may help block fat absorption, reducing overall fat accumulation. Green tea can support long-term weight management by making it harder for your body to store excess fat. Improved insulin sensitivity can help reduce cravings and control appetite, making it easier to maintain a healthy diet. Green tea helps suppress appetite and reduce cravings. One of the biggest challenges in weight loss is controlling hunger and avoiding overeating. The good news is that green tea health benefits include appetite regulation. How green tea controls appetite. Regulating blood sugar levels. Fluctuations in blood sugar can lead to intense cravings. Green tea helps maintain steady glucose levels, preventing sudden spikes and crashes that trigger hunger, suppressing ghrelin, the hunger hormone. Some studies suggest that green tea can lower ghrelin levels, making you feel full for longer, providing natural satiety. The warm, soothing nature of green tea can reduce stress-related cravings, especially for high-calorie comfort foods. What this means for weight loss. Drinking green tea between meals may help reduce snacking and calorie intake. Green tea can be a helpful tool for those who struggle with emotional eating or sugar cravings. When combined with a healthy diet, green tea benefits include longer-lasting satiety, helping you eat fewer calories. Green tea enhances exercise performance and fat oxidation. Green tea doesn't just help with weight loss passively, it can also improve your workout performance, making your fat-burning sessions more effective. How green tea enhances exercise. Studies show that drinking green tea before exercising leads to higher rates of fat burning. The combination of caffeine and catechins can improve focus and endurance, allowing you to push harder during workouts. What this means for weight loss. Drinking green tea for weight loss before exercise can increase fat burning by up to 17%. Green tea can improve stamina and energy levels, making workouts feel easier and more effective. When combined with strength training and cardio, green tea weight loss benefits can help tone and define muscles. So what are the health benefits of green tea? In addition to its numerous advantages for overall wellness, green tea is an excellent natural aid for weight loss. By boosting metabolism, enhancing fat burning, suppressing appetite, and improving exercise performance, green tea can support your fitness journey in multiple ways. For the best green tea health benefits, aim to drink 3 to 5 cups per day. Choose high-quality green tea and pair it with a healthy diet and regular exercise. If you're serious about how to lose weight drinking green tea, making it a daily habit can be a simple yet powerful step toward reaching your goals. If you found this helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more expert tips on how to lose weight fast and achieve your health goals. Leave a comment and let us know if you plan to use green tea in your weight loss strategy and how you'll be adding it to your daily routine. And if you want to learn more about how to lose weight fast, watch this next video.